So today I'm going to show you the simple trick how to find the result without writing any function, like for the simple task like sum, average, maximum, minimum, and so on. So as you see, you can see here three numbers are listed. So what you're going to do is just select here, then go to the taskbar here, right click, then you will see all this information. So you select whatever you want, so that gives you the quick review of the selected number. So for this number now we didn't see anything here, right? So what you're gonna do is just right click here, select maximum, minimum, count, average, and so on. So you will get the quick result for the listed number. So the max is 5, min is 1, count is 3, which means how many numbers are there, and the average is 2.66. For example, if you want to change like 3, 6, and 5, you're gonna select these numbers, then you will see the max is 6, the max is 6, minimum is 3, average is 4.6. How many numbers we have? 3 numbers we have. So you can find the numbers instead of writing like sum function, then select, for the quick review you don't have to write any function like this. So if you write min, then select the numbers, then here you go, 3. So instead of that, you just select this and you see on the taskbar quickly, and you can have those results as fast as you select the numbers. That's it. Thank you very much.